welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Yeezy 500s in this salt colorway. Now these are set to drop tomorrow, Friday the 30th of November, and the retail price is 320 Australian dollars. Now before we get into the video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, and please subscribe to my channel because I upload twice a week so you guys don't miss out, and let's just get into it. So here we have the Yeezy 500s in the salt colorway, and this silhouette was previously known as Desert Rats. Now I can't be the only person that's wondering this, but when I saw images of this, I wasn't sure if it would be too similar to the blush colorway. So today we're gonna do a comparison to see what this looks like versus the blush colorway. So here I have the blush, and as you guys can tell, they do look very similar, but they have different undertones. So the blush, which is this one over here, has more of a warmer off-white beigey kind of grey color, whereas the salt in comparison is very cool tone and has more of a blue tint. So if you already have the blush colorway, the salts do look quite similar. From afar, if you're in low lighting, you probably can't tell a difference, because when I first saw these in person, the first thing I thought about was like, why does it look just like the blush? But when you see them in person side by side, you can really tell a difference. So it has just a slightest bit of a blue tint, and I think it's quite a beautiful colorway. And lately all the Yeezy drops have been this really nice muted grey earth color, which I am a fan of. To give you guys another comparison, I have the Sesames over here that just dropped last week, and then in comparison you guys can tell they are kind of in the same tone family, but it's just a different undertone. So again, this is more warm, more of a beigey kind of grey, whereas this one is very much like a cool tone blue. So against like my t-shirt, you guys can tell it is quite blue and it kind of matches my hair as well. I know in my Sesame video a lot of you guys said that this is kind of like my hair color, but yeah, they both kind of look the same. But I'm a huge fan of this colorway, and also the 500s in general. I'm a huge fan of this silhouette. I find that the 500s are super comfortable. Even though they don't have the boost sole, they have this adiprene sole, and the design of this sole is actually not new. It's actually taken from a 1998 KB83 release, and I find that these just feel really good on feet. I can wear them all day and my feet doesn't feel tired or anything like that. In terms of sizing, these fit true to size. So I'm usually a men's US 6 or a women's US 7. Now if you guys need some help with sizing, I actually just posted a video all about Yeezy sizing where I go through like the 350 V2s, the 500, 700s. So you guys can check that out to figure out your size. But again, these are true to size, and I just find them to be super comfy. And if you have wide feet, this would be perfect for you. So even if you have wide feet, you can go true to size as well, because there is a lot of room in the toe box area. Even for myself, when I wear this, it just feels very roomy, but not in a bad way, and I just love these a lot. In terms of detailing, there is a reflective piping running across the shoe, so when you take a photo with flash, or if you're in low lighting, you can really see this come through, which is pretty cool. So this colorway is actually the fourth colorway that they've dropped in this silhouette. Prior to this, there is the blush, Supermoon, and the utility black. So if you don't already own like the blush colorway, then I would highly recommend picking up the salts, because I think they are such a beautiful color. And even though they're quite similar to this, if you're a Yeezy fan, you will still probably pick up a pair of these. Overall, I've said this so many times in this video, but I really love the 500 silhouette. Now I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. It is quite a chunky sneaker, but I feel like it's not like super exaggerated like a pair of Triple S, for example. Plus these are super comfy. The suede on these are super buttery, and I feel like the construction and overall quality of this is actually really good. So for $320, I think this is a definite cop for me. Now this will be releasing in store at Sneaker Boy at 10 AM tomorrow, the 30th of November, and it is first come first serve, so make sure you get there early if you want to cop a pair of these. Now it should be a relatively easy cop, so don't stress. As long as you get there early, you should be able to get your hands on a pair of these. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the Yeezy 500 Salt, and if you're going to be picking up a pair of these. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel because I upload twice a week so you guys don't want to miss out. And I'll see you guys really soon. Bye. Just a different, I guess, temperature of gray. Undertone. Today's video we're going... What? Then I'm not sure if you need to get the blue I was gonna say blue tint. No! Oh my god, guys, I just realized that I'm wearing the same t-shirt as my 500 blush video. You guys probably think I only have like 3 t-shirts because I wear the same things all the time, but I thought it was fitting because I feel like this is a look. Is it?